In this guide, we will explore the 2025 Nissan Leaf cluster display and dashboard warning indicators. Have you ever wondered what each warning light means on your Nissan Leaf's dashboard? Are you familiar with how to interpret the cluster display for a smooth driving experience? Instrument panel. Meters and gauges. Cluster indicators. 12-volt battery charge warning light. Brake warning light. Electric shift control system warning light. Master warning light. Seatbelt warning light. Electronic parking brake indicator light. Security indicator light. Supplemental airbag warning light. Slip indicator light. Anti-lock brake system indicator. Brake system warning light. Electric vehicle system warning light. Electronic parking brake system warning light. Low tire pressure warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, exterior light indicator light, high beam indicator, high beam assist indicator light, front passenger airbag status light, plug-in indicator light, front fog light indicator light, power limitation indicator light, power steering warning light, rear automatic braking warning light, vehicle dynamic control off indicator light, approaching vehicle sound for pedestrians off system warning light, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection system warning light, ready to drive indicator light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.